What is blockchain technology?
Blockchain technology is a revolutionary concept that has transformed the way we think about data and transactions. It's a decentralized, transparent, and highly secure system for recording and verifying various types of information. Here's a breakdown of its key aspects.
Decentralization.
Blockchain operates on a network of computers, nodes, spread worldwide, making it resilient and resistant to central control.
Blocks and transactions.
Information is stored in blocks, each linked to the previous one, creating a chain of transactions, hence the name blockchain.
Transparency.
All participants in a blockchain network can view the entire transaction history, promoting trust and accountability.
Security.
Blockchain uses advanced cryptographic techniques to secure data, making it extremely difficult for unauthorized parties to alter or access it.
Immutability.
Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it becomes nearly impossible to change, ensuring the integrity of the ledger.
Smart contracts.
Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions that automatically trigger actions when met.
Timestamping.
Each transaction is timestamped and added to the ledger, providing an immutable record of when it occurred.
Global reach.
Blockchain is not confined to a specific location. It's a global network with nodes spanning the world.
Use cases.
Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain is applied in various fields, including supply chain management, voting systems, healthcare, and more.
Future potential. Blockchain technology continues to evolve, with potential applications in finance, governance, and beyond. It holds the promise of enhancing transparency, security, and efficiency in many industries.
Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and stay tuned to TechVerse Insights.